Hello and welcome to EasyGo. So it's your first time using the EasyGo network. The first thing you're going to have to do is download the app on your smartphone. This can be done through the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Next thing you need to do then is you need to register to create that account. Fill in your details, the system will send you an email, make sure you check the spam folder, and once you click that email to verify your email address, you've got your account created. So then you click on the app, sign into your account. By default, your account will be prepay, and that's the best value on our network. So on the map then, the charger will tell you whether it's a free to use or a pay to use. If it is a pay to use, you're going to have to add funds to your account, and you do that by adding a payment method. Rather than being outside trying to figure this all outside, get on the app on your phone, and when you're on the app on your phone, what we want to do is, first of all, make sure you're at the right site, and then you want to make sure you're at the right number on the charger. You may need to hop out to see what the charger number is. So here we can see it's number 7 that we're parked at. So once we go onto the app, we can activate number 7. And when we start the charger, all we have to do then is get out and plug it in. On the screen of the charger, it'll tell you to connect the cable. You plug in the cable that you brought with you into the charging unit, and then at the other end into your car. It's as simple as that. So we've connected the cable to the charger, we've connected the cable to the car, everything should be up and running. If there's any problem with this, just disconnect the cables and start the whole process again. Then to stop the charger, you can go back to your app again, click on the app, and it has the stop button on the bottom right hand corner, click stop. You can hear the unit actually beep, then you can unplug your cables and away you go. What we're going to show you now is how to do it with the fob as well with this unit. So with the fob, and you can order these through the website. The fob itself, on the login section here, plug in the cable, same again, plug it in on this side, then plug it into the car. Once it's starting, it's going to check charging started on socket 1, and then when you want to stop it again, all you have to do is press the fob, charging stopped, plug it out from the car, and then plug it out from the charger. Thanks for using EasyGo. Make sure you follow our social channels to keep an eye on any updates on our network. If you've got any problems, you can reach out to our 24/7 support line, and it is on 0125 444 56.